Welcome to Benham's math lesson.
Welcome to this lesson. Today I'll be teaching you on how to find LCM. So before we start, what is LCM? The full meaning of LCM is lowest common multiples. So I'm going to show you some examples. I'm going to do some works on this. Some examples under LCM. How to find LCM. So here we go. Find the LCM of 4 and 8, 6 and 9, and 8 and 18. So I'm going to be doing these examples for you. So when looking for LCM of numbers, what you do first is to draw this simple diagram. So we are looking for the LCM of 4 and 8. So you impute your 4 here and then your 8 here. So what you do is to look for the lowest number that can divide either 4 or 8. So the lowest number that can divide either 4 or 8 is 2. So 4 divided by 2, you have 2. 8 divided by 2, you have 4. So the lowest number that can divide 2 and 4 is 2 also. So use 2. 2 divided by 2, you have 1. 4 divided by 2, you have 2 also. So the lowest number that can divide 2 here now is 2. So use 2 also. You leave the 1, bring the 1 down to this place. So 2 divided by 2, you have 1 also. So your LCM now is 2 times 2 times 2. That is, LCM here is equal to 2 times 2 times 2, which is equal to 8. Or LCM equal to 2 raised to the power of 3, which is equal to 8. So the LCM of 4 and 8 is equal to 8. It's very, very simple. So we'll be looking at example number 2. Find the LCM of 6 and 9. So here we are looking for the LCM of 6 and 9. So what is the lowest number that can divide either 6 or 9? So the lowest number that can divide either 6 or 9, you start from the lowest, is 2. 2 can divide 6. 6 divided by 2, you have 3. So 2 cannot divide 9. So you bring down your 9 here. So what is the lowest number again that can divide either 3 or 9? So the lowest number that can divide either 3 or 9 is 3. So 3 divided by 3, you have 1. 9 divided by 3, you have 3. So 3 again. 3 going to 3, you have 1. So 1. So the LCM of 6 and 9 here is 2 times 3 times 3, which is equals to 18. 2 times 3 times 3 is equal to 18. You can also put it this way: LCM is equal to 2 times 3 raised to the power of 2, which is equal to what? 18. It's very, very simple. Okay, the next one is the LCM of 8 and 18. Find LCM of 8 and 18. So here we go. So what's the lowest number that can divide either 8 or 18? So the lowest number that can divide either 8 or 18 is 2. So 8 divided by 2, you have 4. 18 divided by 2, you have 9. So what is the lowest number you can use to divide either 4 or 9? The lowest number that can divide either 4 or 9 is 2 also. 4 divided by 2, you have 2. 9 cannot be divided by 2, so you bring down the 9 again. So the lowest number that can divide 9 and 2 and 2 and 9 is 2. So you use 2. 2 divided by 2, you have 1. So 2 cannot divide 9, you bring down the 9. So what is the lowest number you can use to divide 9 here? The lowest number that can divide 9 is 3. So 9 divided by 3, you have 3. 3 divided by 3, you have 1. So it's simple. So the LCM of 8 and 9 and 18 is equal to 2 raised to the power of 1, 2, 3, 2 raised to the power of 3 times 3 raised to the power of 2, or LCM is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3, which is equal to 72. Okay, one more example. Let's look for the LCM of 9 and 12. So you look for the lowest number that can divide either 9 or 12. So the lowest number that can divide either of them is 2. So 12 can be divided by what? 2. So 12 divided by 2, you have 6. 9 cannot be divided by 2, you have your 9 still. So we also look for the lowest number that can divide 9 or 6. 2 can divide 6. So 6 divided by 2, you have 3. So 2 cannot be divided by 9 cannot be divided by 2, so you bring down your 9. So what is the lowest number that can divide 3 and then 9? The lowest number that can divide 3 or 9 is 3. So 9 divided by 3, you have 3. 3 divided by 3, you have 1. So again, 3 divided by 3, you have 1. So LCM here is equal to 2 raised to the power of 1, 2, 3 raised to the power of 2 times 3 raised to the power of 2. That is 2 times 2, 3 times 3. Okay, let me put it this way. LCM is equal to 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. 2 times 2 times 3 times what? 3. So this is equal to 36. So LCM of 9 and 12 is equal to 36. So it's very, very simple, guys. If you enjoy our video, give us a thumb up, drop a comment and subscribe to our channel. See you in our next lesson.